December 23rd, all of my siblings get together with all of their kids, and it's a complete blast. We do a white elephant gift, and we do it every year, and of course our whole evening is surrounded in about food. That's all we ever talk about, so we just eat, and it's great, and we look forward to it, and our kids look forward to it every year.
We do the same. We get together with all my siblings and all the aunts and uncles that are around and cousins that are around, and it's just always nice to get together with everybody.
You know, we always take at least 2 nights and drive around, look at Christmas lights, and drink hot chocolate.
We do the same with
Oh,
our
that's
kids.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah. That's one of my very favorite Christmas traditions.
We have our blistered jalapeno and fig, which is the first product that we ever created, and it's kind of our baby. So it's a spicy sweet fig jam. It's very versatile. It also has a little bit hint of heat on the back end.
And we have our blueberry mint simple syrup, and we used it to make our blueberry mint gin fizz, which is super popular. It has gin, our blueberry mint syrup, and you top it with Prosecco and add a little bit of lime juice, and it's so delicious. It's a little bit boozy, so be careful, but it's also great just to batch up for a New Year's party or other holiday get-togethers. We always encourage our customers to, especially our sampler pack, makes a really great host or hostess gift. Just something out of the ordinary from a bottle of wine, and people really seem to enjoy it.
From a sampler and a gift pack, something new for us this holiday season, we have our new 4-ounce jars, and we'll have 4 of them in our sampler pack. And so we're really excited about being able to have that offering, kind of piggybacking on what the Route 23 team has done with their success. What a great hostess gift, or a gift to go entertain with.
So we're bundling these 2 flavors of Bellisari's dips and our blueberry mint syrup for the month. If you order early enough in the month, and probably up until about the week before Christmas, we can ship it out in time for your holiday get-together or for gifting for the holidays.
Perfect.
Happy holidays!